Hi everybody, just a quick short video on Chronodesk Capture, just to explain what it is and why I built it, why we built it. So what is it? It is, in simple terms, a application for you to very easily share a video and share your screen and send it to somebody. So there are a lot of use cases. One of them is if you need to explain something to a user, if you even need to explain something to a teammate. It's instead of scheduling a meeting, having a discussion when you just need to show somebody something, it's really, really quick to just create a Chronodesk Capture and send it through. Especially if not everyone is available. So people can see it in their own time. It's also repeatable. Once you record it, that information is then repeatable and can scale to send to anybody. And yeah, there'll be a couple of videos and information about the use cases, and there's a lot of information on the internet about it. One of the biggest, if not the biggest, systems out there that does this is Loom. And I've used Loom quite a bit. I use it now, I did use it now and again. I kind of got a bit despondent because when I was using it, the video quality was only 720p, so the video didn't look great. When I'm sharing the screen, the text looked fuzzy and didn't look great. The other thing is that the 25 video limit kind of, so I was happy to pay for it. I'm always happy to pay for something that really works well. So I actually paid for the premium version for a bit. I thought there was going to be a lot of really good functionality. The thing is, it's $18. It's $18, and that's not a small subscription for a kind of a small tool if you think about it. Especially if all of my team, 10 people need to use this thing, which is useful, but that's $180 a month. And to me, yes, it is useful, but it's not really worth that. So I saw a lot of outcry actually when Loom increased their pricing to $18, I think it is. And I thought, I'm just going to try and build our own. I did want to have some sort of functionality like this in Chronodesk Service Management, because for a ticketing system, for a service managed system, it really would help to be able to do that straight in the system, and it's part of our roadmap. So instead of adding it to our roadmap inside Chronodesk, I decided to create a completely separate system and then eventually integrate it into Chronodesk. This will allow many people to use the free version. It's lightweight, it doesn't have the limitations, so you get your full HD recording, you get a 10-minute limit instead of 5, and you get unlimited videos. So off the bat, this free version of Chronodesk Capture, what I'm trying to achieve by this is to make it at least as very close to good to the paid version of Loom. And by having unlimited videos and full HD, that allows a team to be able to really distribute and use high quality videos, and it makes it worth it. It makes it worth it. So that is why those limitations are kind of a lot better. So yeah, if you would like to try it out, all you need to do is go to capture.chronodesk.io and click on a button and sign up, and that free version is free forever. It's free for anybody to use it. You don't ever have to upgrade it. We are going to have a 2 tiers paid version, but that is going to include a lot more extra functionality that we'll announce later. For example, knowledge bases, public sites, being able to upload. Oh, yeah, that's another thing. You can download your video. So if you record it and you want to download it, you can download it. That is a limitation in Loom. Okay, that's 5 minutes now. It was going to be short. It's too long. Reach out if you want any more information. Happy to chat to you if you want to see how it works. But otherwise, sign up and just give it a try, and would love your feedback. Thank you.